Please check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. From our house to your house. Hi, this is Chris from Tech-HAUS with a DIY video for installing the CASA Wi-Fi KP200 outlet. Let's cover the tools you may need. First, we need a multi-head screwdriver with slot, Robinson, and Phillips heads. An extra small slot screwdriver. A set of pliers with side cutters. A wire stripping tool. A non-contact voltage detector. An outlet testing tool. And a pair of needle nose pliers. You may not need every tool for every job, but having at least these ensures you have what you need. Inside the CASA Smart Wi-Fi Outlet KP200 box are 2 mounting screws, the outlet, and the wall cover plate. Let's get started. Check the existing outlet is powered and wired correctly. Using a tester, we can see that the outlet is wired and grounded correctly as indicated by the center and right lights being on. Now we need to power off the outlet at the breaker panel. We can see that there is no power to the plug as the tester has no lights on. Now we can safely remove the plug wall cover plate by undoing the slot screw in the center. Remove the top and bottom screws using a slot or small Robinson screwdriver. Remove the outlet from the wall. The wires can be cut or unscrewed from the outlet. In this case, the push connectors were used, so we cut the wires using side cutters. Leave the wires as long as possible. Next, we will strip the 2 wires using a set of wire strippers. Using a pair of needle nose pliers, create a hook in the ground wire. Loosen the ground screw on the new Wi-Fi outlet using a slot or Phillips screwdriver. Hook the ground wire around the screw. Ensure the hook wraps around the screw in the direction the screw turns and tighten. The outlet has the terminal connectors labeled, W beside the terminal that the white wire is to be connected, and an L beside where the black wire is to be connected. Slide the bared part of the wire behind the metal plate of the terminal and tighten the screws using a slot or Phillips screwdriver. The outlet can be pushed back into the wall. Ensure the bare ground wire is tucked straight back and does not go up either side of the outlet. Using the supplied screws, reattach the top and bottom of the outlet using a slot screwdriver. The outlet should be snug against the wall and centered side to side in the wall opening. Remove the plastic from the supplied wall plate and align the opening in the edge of the cover to the bottom. Press the cover firmly until it clicks into place. Turn on the power at the panel to energize the outlet. Using the tester, check the middle and right lights are on, indicating the outlet is wired and grounded properly. Congratulations, you have successfully installed a Wi-Fi outlet. Check out our other videos on setting up your new Wi-Fi outlet with CASA and Alexa apps. From our house to your house. Do not forget to check the comments for links to the tools and devices we use. We hope you found this video useful and informative. Thank you for choosing Tech-HAUS DIY videos.